Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. Some of my followers asking me to make this tutorial, so now I did it, and I will share with you a working trick how I got unlimited free coins in Kalos TV application. I will do it on my Android phone, but don't worry, it works on iOS too. But before you start to do this trick, make sure you have installed the latest version of Kalos TV app, then everything's okay. You ready for the first step? Alright, now open your mobile browser and type this website. As you can see, now we are on the website main page. To start the process, type your Kalos TV username, select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much coins do you want and simply just tap the generate button. The generator started to add the coins to your account, so be patient. This may take some time, depend of your internet speed and your device hardware. Now we are on the last step. It's really easy to do. You just need to download 2 mobile applications from the list, run each for 30 seconds, or register. Sign up to complete the verification, and you got your coins almost instantly. Okay, now everything's done. Open the Kalos TV application, and boom, we got the coins instantly. Now you can watch dramas and short movies for free. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will help to you guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.